So this is how to edit short videos going forward. Um, so the first thing you do is to put your videos here, the amount, whichever number of videos you have, you upload it by doing this import. So drag it from here down here. Drag your video down here. Now, the first thing about videos is you want to remove the spaces. I'm going to click on this video, or you can highlight all the videos as long as it's less than 2 hours long. You can highlight the video by clicking on Control A. Let's see here on how long your video is. So once you do that, actually hold on. So I am actually going to click on this thing that says transcript. So click on transcript and it's going to transcribe your video for you. Now I use transcript because it's easier to remove spaces once you can see it from the transcript view. So this transcript has the script for these videos. So what I want to do is you come here and click on this thing and say remove filler words. Most time, because I already removed it for this video, it's showing zero filler word identified. um but yes, do that and remove filler words. Most times it's already removed. So once you've removed your filler words, if there's any filler word, it will show the number of filler words here. Filler words are maybe repetitions or pauses in a video that is more than 6 or 7 seconds. Maybe there was a long pause. It's easier to see it from here. You see this thing pauses. If then you kind of see there's repetition, you can quickly see it from this transcript. So, for example, this thing is a repetition. Let's say this sentence is a repetition. All you have to do is highlight the repetition and click on delete. So you can see that once I deleted here, this place cut itself. So cutting from here is easier than coming here to cut. So if, for example, if I want to cut this thing that says material, maybe it's a duplicate or something, I just come here and delete. So now you can see from the timeline that I have cut the word material out of it. So that's how you cut. Then the next thing you want to do is, so after your transcript and all your filler words are all adjusted and removed, you're going to do caption. Now hopefully you have this. So if you click on caption, go to this thing that says AI packaging. If you don't have it, then you can just do regular caption. But AI packaging will give you not just caption, to give you sound effects on your short videos. So I'll click on start and I said delete current caption and I say confirm. So the biggest thing I want here is my the biggest thing the reason why I use this is because of the sound effect that it gives to my videos. So it's done generating. You can see that it it gave me caption bit up, above here, but just down here it's some sound effect. So this is sound effect. I'm going to zoom into it so you can see it, and I'm going to play so you can hear. So you can hear that sound that showed up, right? So one of the things you see here, I believe I already have caption on this video, but you can see the caption part of it. It gave me two lines. Now, one of the things it does is it sometimes gives you a bigger caption that highlights, above. So it kind of, so this one up here. I'm just gonna zoom into this. So if my caption is covering the face of the person, I remove it. So in this case, this is actually covering the face of this guy. I don't need it, I'll just remove it. or you can minimize it. But I only want one caption, so it gave me. So it usually gives this thing down below. It's more like an highlight. A few things that it wants to highlight, it will put it down here. But whatever it's highlighting is always on the caption. So let's say this one you're talking about recording, it will not highlight to be recordings for you, but it's the same thing still on the caption. So most times these things under, I remove it. So this second caption line, I'm going to take it out, and I think you should do that as well. This one, yeah. So the only thing that's my proper caption is this thing at the top here. These are my captions, the proper ones, right? So everything else will most likely be taken out. So I do that for all the line. I leave only the main caption, which is this one, here is my main caption. So another thing you can do is you can change the template of your caption by going to templates. Then you can check for whichever, yeah, you can check for this and just apply it, and so on and so forth. But actually, hold on. So I want to click on this. So if actually you click on it, if you click on one, it can apply to all. Then you go on this template here, then you can see different options. Yes, let's say I want to change it to this. So now it has changed everything to this caption. I'm going to expand this so you can see the changes that has happened to this now, right? Let's say I want to change it to this, then it change all the caption to this. Okay. So I talked about your transcript that can help you cut your videos. I talked about your caption. If you use the AI caption, you can get automatic sound effects on your videos. Then the last thing I'm going to talk about is how to cut your video. So if you notice, I actually I have more than 4 shots here. So let's say you upload or you have about 20 short videos, you've edited everything at once, you want to export them one after the other. You're going to come here and, for example, I want to only export this particular clip down here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. So what you do is you come to the beginning of the clip and you click on and you type I in your keyboard, I, but make sure you're at the very beginning of your this script. So I'm going to zoom in just to be sure I am at the exact line here. So I just touched I on my keyboard, but I want this, I want to only extract a few portions. I want to extract then maybe this ending of this. Then you can type O on your keyboard, O on your keyboard. Now what that I simply means in, so it takes everything in to your right. O simply means out. That means it cuts everything to your right out of what you need to cut out. So this thing that is bright is what it's going to export. So now you go here and click on export, and now you can only export this 38-second clip. So you can see that now it's 38 seconds clip. So then you you name your video, then you export. So you do that one after the other for all your clips that you want to export out after your final edits. So that's how to edit reels. Very simple ways.